Building AI agents has become much easier thanks to platforms like Flowise AI. In this review, we'll look at what Flowise offers, its pricing, and whether it's worth using in 2026. Flowise is an open-source visual AI builder that lets you create AI agents using a drag-and-drop interface instead of writing complex code. You can connect language models, vector databases, APIs, memory, and automation tools to build chatbots, document assistants, and custom AI workflows. One of Flowise's biggest advantages is flexibility. It supports multiple AI models and allows you to design workflows visually, making development faster while still giving experienced users plenty of customization options. Let's talk about pricing. The cloud version starts with a starter plan at around $35 per month, while the Pro plan costs about $65 per month and includes higher usage limits and collaboration features. Enterprise pricing is available for larger organizations. If you prefer, you can also self-host Flowise for free since it's open source, although you'll still pay for any AI APIs you connect. On the downside, beginners may find the platform challenging because understanding AI concepts like vector databases and prompt engineering is still important. In addition, external AI services can increase the overall cost of your projects. Overall, Flowise is an excellent choice for developers, startups, and businesses looking to build powerful AI agents without creating everything from scratch. If you want flexibility, visual workflows, and the freedom of an open-source platform, Flowise is definitely worth considering.